channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Looky what we're doing today. I'm gonna try to do a little geode. It's been a while since I've made one. I got this geode already pre-cut this way. It's from LOLIVEFE. She's got some amazing products, some really cool geode shapes. Here's another one that I got where it has the paper on both sides. So you just tear off the one side, and then when you're done with your resin and everything, you can tear off the other side, so you don't have to tape everything, which is amazing. And they're very reasonable priced. I'll put a link in the description for LOLIVEFE. Check them out, check it out, because she's got some cool stuff. I know everybody sees all the mats she has, for getting your paint runs off and things like that. But yeah, so today though I am doing my geode, and I got some crystals from BeeBeeCrafts. I got some, hold on one second, I'm sorry, I'm mixing up. I'll show you all the colors that I have. I just want to make sure I got them mixed up good here. Got some really cute little garnet crystals here from them. And so I'm doing a review on them. I love them. They're beautiful. Although I wish they were a little bit bigger. They're pretty tiny, but that's okay. I can use them for like a border and that kind of stuff. So that's what I'm going to do today. I also have some rose quartz crystals that I'm going to use as well. And I'm just going to use some purples and a pink and a white. So the white I'm using is actually a mixture of a white alcohol ink and then this Jdiction Art crust crystals, kind of what I used in the painting that I did the resin on top for Jdiction Resin. And I am using their resin as well today too. And the purples that I have are from a brand called Eye Candy. And this is Serene Violet, Barney Purple, and Purple Sage. No, I didn't use the Purple Sage. Yeah, I did. Yeah. Did I? No, I did not. So I used Serene Violet, the Barney Purple, and then I used this is a different mica powder that I got, like a whole set. It's from Rolla. This is Purple Hearts. I have these 3 purples. And then from the same brand, Rolla, I'm using this creamy pink. The very pretty colors. I will put a link in the description for those as well. So I already glued down with a hot glue gun some points around the middle here. I do want to put some crystals around here and then just make sure that nothing leaks in. So I think though, yeah, I think I'm just going to put the garnet ones around it and then put some resin down just to kind of get that base locked up there. Yeah, these are really pretty. And when you see them in the light, they're even prettier. I just wish they were a little bit bigger. They're pretty small chips. But they'll work. I'm going to make them work in this one. So, yeah. So I'm just going to put that there like that. And then I'm going to pour down some of the white. And I'm not going to try to use too much of this. I just want to kind of make a little bit of a barrier here just to kind of hold them in, and then Now I probably will speed some of this up because resin is kind of a little bit more time consuming. This resin though, you do have about a 35 to 40 minute work time, which is, I think, is pretty good. So yeah. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm making a freaking, oh shoot, I forgot to put my gloves on. Let me get those on here after I do this. Sorry about that. That's me. I used to do the same thing. So I used to be a hairstylist. For 26 years I was a hairstylist, and I forgot to wear gloves quite often. So there was many times where you would see me out and my hands would be all different colors. But that is what it is. All right, so now I'm going to put some purple down. Hey everybody, just real quick, I want to it's still drying, so I'm not ready to do the paint pens on it yet, but I did add this over here. I just wasn't liking that big glob of purple. I just feel like, I don't know. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that before. So, and I do like it now. I think it looks really cool. And those garnet crystals are gorgeous. Next to the rose quartz, you can see, or even next to the clear quartz there, how pretty it is. I just wish they were a little bigger, but other than that, they're gorgeous. So I will bring you back when it's dried and we can do our paint pens on it. Thanks. Be back in a minute. Hey everybody. Sorry about my camera wasn't running when I took the backing off of here. Look at how pretty that is. It was just basically like tape, papered tape. I thought my thing was still running, but so it's kind of nice that you see how sticky it is? Like this is just literally, you just peel it off, and it, if you have any drips, it takes that off right with it as well. Yeah, sorry about that. I thought it was running, but of course, you know, it's not the first time. But I'm going to bring you in for a little bit of a close-up here to show you how pretty it is. You can kind of see it's literally all the way dry. It's been sitting now for about 24 hours maybe-ish. I think it's beautiful. The crystals are really pretty on there. I'm just going to bring it down here a little bit. I got you on my stand, so it's kind of funky, but just look at that. It's so pretty. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Not tech savvy, so. Yeah, so the crystals are beautiful in here. I really like these. They're really pretty. Oops, I got a loose one there. So I am happy with it. So if you're looking for some pretty crystals, the ruby ones are the ones, are garnet. I'm sorry, they're garnet. Are the ones that I got from BeeBeeCrafts, and yeah, they're beautiful. Other than I just wish they were a little bit bigger, but yeah, it did say chips, so I got what it said. So, but it is pretty. I put the lines on. I don't know how I'm gonna hang it yet. I kind of like it this way. That's kind of how I think, but I just look at those. Aren't those beautiful? But I'll put the link for BeeBeeCrafts in the description, and you can go check out the website. I do thank everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and you will like and subscribe. I don't do a lot of resin on my videos. I love doing them. I think it's fun to do the geodes and stuff, but I don't do a lot. But maybe I'll get into it a little bit more. Obviously can improve my my geode making. But I'm obsessed with these crystals, so yeah, there's that. But thanks everybody for watching. Have a good day, have a good evening, and keep being creative. Bye.